Work a little bit over how can you implement some text in changes in your site and some forms and some pictures. So here again, first go to your site, log in into your back panel, which Mark will give you the address, but right now I think is londo.vividcandy.com/admin. Enter your password and username. Logged in. I'm sure that you will not be able to have all these settings because you're a user or administrator. I'm the administrator. So, but for you to add content to your pages, you will click on the page tab on the left hand side. Click it open. You will see all the pages that we have created. So for the home page, if you click on the home page, you click on edit. There is nothing. There's no text because the home page is set up to be two images. This is gonna link to the cats, and this is gonna link to the dogs. So let's talk about the about page. We click on the about page, and this picture we handle that in the template. You take care of the content, which is this one. So example, you click on the pages again, then you click on the about page. Make sure you click on the edit button. Then if you could extend, the way this is like a big table, text on the left hand side, and then you see this dotted line. That's another cell for the table, and then this is the sidebar. This is you, by the way. Nice to meet you. The way that you change the font to green, like this one, that you select this one and you make sure that this is a heading 6 right here. Heading 6 is set up for you to be this green button, just like this yellow one is being set to be a different color. You select this one and change the color and make it bold if you want it. The quote that we have in this area, which is right here, quote goes here. You select that, and then that's a heading 5. H5 will create this style of font for you. For the most of the part, the font it will be this color, so you can just click here, let's say here, and then add more text. When you're done, make sure that you click the blue button, which is the update one, and voila, it will be immediately changed. To upload an image, for this particular page you have two size image. If you want to add more people that work under you, the size of this image are exactly this one, 275 pixels width by approximately 196 pixels height. You can increase or decrease. The most important part is the width, otherwise you will break the size of this table. The way you add a picture, again, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna delete you. Bam. So right here you select where you want the picture, you click enter, just to make a little space. Right after this, enter, and right there where the cursor is, you click on this square button that if you hover for a little bit, it will say add an image tag. Click there, browse in your computer, you select files. I'll have you like Patty on my folder test pictures, so I use click Patty, click open. It will crunch the numbers, render, show you a little preview of the picture. I recommend you to delete the link, because otherwise it will link to the same picture. There is no point. Delete the link, and then I will have this image to be center, and I want this image to be full size, which is 275 pixels by 196. You will click insert into the post, and voila, the picture should be there. For this picture, which is the one on the left hand side, just to fit this space, it's exactly the same process. The only difference is this image is gonna bring that image back. You click there, click upload image. That one I have it like the dogs here one. Open that one. You will crunch the number. I will delete the link again, and here will tell you which size you want this picture to be. First I want it to be center, and I want it to be a full size. This is the size that you need to be working on, which is 549 pixels width. The height doesn't matter too much, because again, you can have a big picture in all this area as long as it's the same width. it won't have any problems. It will extend horizontal, I'm sorry, vertical wall will not extend horizontal. So then you click insert picture, and voila, the picture is right there. Don't forget to click the update button, and that's your page. Just for this particular page, the about us, you have two columns, one for the picture of the members and one for the other content. But let's say that you want to click on tour, you got full content right here, all with. So same thing apply right here. You want to edit tour, you go back to the pages, click on the tour page, which is this one, click edit, and here's your content. You can add pictures in paragraphs, like if you select right there, you can just go insert picture. Let's select the same dog, crunch the number. This one, I want this image to be right justify or left justify. You can play with this. I'm gonna make it left. I want it to be the full width. You can actually make a small or medium size. Let's make it a medium size thumbnail. Make to the left, insert into the post. You will crunch the numbers, and here's your picture. You click update, and then if you hit refresh on this page, you will see your dog right there. So of course you don't want this dog in this picture, or maybe you do, who knows. Click update. That's how you add content to your pages. One important thing that you need to know is, like, in the future you have the services page right here, and then you want to add one more page. Let's say, for instance, that you come up with a new service. So you come to the pages and you click add new page. You click add new page. We're gonna call this mobile. Like, you're gonna go there and take care of the dog. Well, you obviously you don't, but somebody else. You put your text right here, and then you click publish. Now you have a new page. So the way you add this into the navigation is really simple. You come here to the appearance. You will see the menu tab. Click on the menu, and this is all your navigation. If you notice, it's home, about, tour, services, specials. All this navigation is displayed right here. So if you want to add one more item, which is in this case will be right here on the pages, let's say view all, you will have the test, what I put, mobile service, this one. You click on the little button and you will add it to the menu. Once you do that, you will add more navigations into the menu to the same level. If you can see the same level, you save this menu. Every time you do some changes, make sure you click on the blue button and you save the menu. So now you hit refresh, your mobile will appear right here. Of course, there is no space right here on the horizontal. That's why it goes to the next level. That's not what you want. You want to put it on their services, right? So then is when you grab this little tab on the menu, on appearance menus, grab this little tab and move it over the services under. See, this is like a little indent. Save the menu, and as you can guess, this page is not gonna be on the services. As soon as you click on the hover, bam, mobile. So we will stylize this a little bit more for you, but that's exactly how the navigation works for the drop downs. All your categories, all your services will be right here. For now, I'm gonna delete this page. Save. The last thing that you need to know is the forms. That is powered by this plugin, which is right here. You will see it, form, immediately. Click there. You can add multiple forms. Let's say I want a new form. I'm gonna call this one. You click edit. I'm gonna call this one test. Save form. Right. So return to form list. Now I have two forms. That you wanna edit your form, you just click on the forms. You select which form you wanna edit. Let's say that I wanna edit the test form. That is the one I created. You click on the edit button. Here, you will notify who you want this form to be sent. Right now, it's gonna be sent to me for testing purposes, which is Gerardo@vividcandy.com. Save changes. like I'm gonna edit this one, and then I'm gonna add all these fields. You can feel free to click on all these videos, all these buttons. Let's say you want a custom field, a name field. Let's say you first want to know the client's name. You can just simple click on name. Immediately will appear this format. You click on the edit, and then you change the name. Let's say pets name. You click on the update form, and voila, this form has a new field. Click close, and then you can add the address, you can add the phone number, and then you can play with it. You can move it around one on top. You can move it around the way you want it. When you're done, you click update form, and then you're done. So the way you add this form to the page is simple. You come to the page. Let's say that that's gonna be my test page on my mobile service. I click on edit, and after this I want a line break, another line break, and I want to add my form. Again, you come to this little section. There's the upload insert. You can upload an image, a video, music, medium, and now the gravity forms. You click here, and it tells you, okay, you want to insert a form. Which one? This time I want to insert the test form. You click there, insert the form. This snip code means that now the mobile service don't forget to click on the update. So this snippet code tells you that right now you have the form right there, and there it is. That's the form we created. So pretty much this is a basic training for you. Please feel free to play with this as much as you want, and don't be afraid. I'm just gonna delete this page for the your site's sake. Why not? Trash. And if you have any question or any specific training that you need to have, I'll be happy to give you a tutorial video with a thick accent.